Good day, ladies and gentlemen. So in this video I would like to give you some free tips that can help you, especially if you're a beginner trader. Okay, basically I'm in a trade right now, and this is an $100 account. Okay, you can see the way it's going. So right now I'm up about $10 on this particular account. Okay, so let me just say a few things about what you can see on the charts. Right here, some people are going to be trying to sell from here. Okay, they will take this as a supply zone, but this is not a valid zone. All right, price is going to go through it and hit this TP up here. Okay, so there are some understanding you need to have to avoid trading from areas or levels that are designed to just trap you and take your money. Okay, some trader might come and do something like this. Okay, all right, you place these horizontal lines like this, the way I just placed them, and they would have taken a sell trade from here, thinking price will move downwards. Okay, take a sell trade from here, thinking price will move downwards. Their SL, they place it just above that boundary. Okay, trying to take a sell from here. Okay, but it's not going to work out. The stop loss is going to get taken out and price is going to come hit this level. All right, so the reason is there is something we call order flow. You need to understand the current stage of the market. Okay, if the current stage or movement of the market is an uptrend, any stuff that you're looking at to take a sell from, just know it's a trap. Okay, just know that it is a trap. And if you're so convinced that price is going to reverse from that particular level, and the current order flow or the way price is flowing currently is in an uptrend fashion, then if you want to act like an experienced trader, what you would do is you go down to a smaller time frame and wait for a market structure shift in the proposed direction, opposite direction. Okay, so let's say right now we are having a bullish order flow and price has not broken a key level that is standing as probably a low. Okay, you know, in an uptrend, lows are not supposed to be broken. So if price has not broken an external low, you also need to understand you have external low and you have an internal structure low. External structure low, internal structure low, external structure high, internal structure high. All right, so an internal structure high or low can be broken, and that does not signify a market structure shift. Let me see if I can take this down so I can give you some explanation. You already know that if price is moving in an uptrend, you're going to have something like this, higher highs and higher lows, right? Like this. Now, these lows are not expected to get taken out if the uptrend is to continue. That's why you always have higher lows, higher lows, higher lows. Okay, in an uptrend. Once the low gets broken, then we are looking at a possibility of price reversing. But this is only true for external structure lows. Okay, in an uptrend you could have something like this. Okay, price could do this, come like this, then do something like this. Okay, then push up again. Now inexperienced traders will see this stuff right here as a market structure shift because price went below that low. Let me point at it, because price went below this low. Okay, but price going below this low does not mean that market has shifted structure. All right, this is what we call an internal structure low. Internal structure low can be broken. It's just like a trap also. It can be broken without actually signifying a market structure shift. Valid market structure shift would be when price breaks below this particular low right here. So this is the external structure low. Okay, so all of these things I teach them in my course. Okay, I teach them in my mentorship package. Okay, So I'll explain, like you'll be able to perfectly understand market structure. I don't joke with market structure. Very, very important. Okay, so basically this level, you can see the price is delaying around here. Those that took sell trade now, they'll be bothered, because their plan would be that price will just get here and then reverse, but price is just showing bullish candles within the zone. I don't know how long I'm going to be able to record this video, but I wish I could show you that this level is going to get destroyed. Okay, it's going to get taken out and price will come up to the TP. Okay, so basically that's just what I want to show you. I will leave a link in the comment section through which you can reach me, as if you would like to learn from me, get to understand some of the strategies that I use to enter the market, okay, to engage the market, to analyze, and to take my trades. All right, you can see currently in profits. At some point I'm going to be moving my stop loss to break even. I'll move it to break even and just let it be a risk-free trade. It's 2 trades. At some point I'll take one away, lock in some profits and allow it go as far as it could possibly go. It could clear this high. Yeah, that's something else I also want to teach you. It could clear this high right here. Okay, it could come all the way to clear this high. But if you are not certain, now this is another tip, because I said I'll be giving you some free tips. If you're not certain of price clearing a particular high, then try to take your trade, just at the last candle. Let's say, based on my analysis, I have seen the price want to move upwards like this based on my analysis, and I've taken a good entry, just as I have done in this particular trade. I've taken a good entry and price has moved considerably in my favor. Okay, so look at what I did here. Instead of placing my TP at this point, I used this last candle. Okay, so you can do the same if you are a beginner trader and you don't want a situation where by price you get close to your TP and just reverse, because it happens. So the way to beat that is just look at the last candle and give up whatever profit you would have made with that last candle. Just place your TP at the edge or just below that last candle right there. Okay, so most times price is going to get here. It could even go past it. It could clear the whole thing also. All right, but to be very, very safe, you can just take that last candle and place your TP right there. So you'll be 100% certain that price will definitely get here and you get the hell out. Okay guys, I just go back to the charts and I can see that price has gone past that level. Okay, so I just wanted to record that aspect so that you also see that what I was saying is true. Okay, look at this. Okay, so I'm up about $13 right now. So basically that's just it. So all those traders that might have shorted from here, their stop loss is gone, and that's what happens to most of you guys when you trade, especially those that are not experienced. Okay, so it's gonna take some time, for you guys to be able to master the markets up to this point. Even me myself, I'm still learning. Okay, you forever be you always be a student of the markets. Okay, so basically that's just it. But if you've gathered some years of experience, you will be able to spot this type of traps. Okay, be able to spot them and know that they are not going to hold. Okay, so I'm still going to push up and move to my TP. So basically that's just all I have for you right now. If you are a new viewer, please subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.